An explosion of emotions for Josip Drmic. After his first goal in Hamburg colours, he borrowed a special celebration from across the pond.
Den Jubel habe ich ein bisschen abgeguckt bei American Football. Ich wollte einfach alles rauslassen und ja, es ist eine sehr, sehr große Erleichterung.
Good nerves, this is nice. Muller again, hunts around the back, and Drmic couldn't miss. First chance for Hamburg, and they've taken it.
Wer hat das gemacht beim American Football?
Weiß ich nicht mehr genau. Ich habe dieses Best-of gesehen und ja, habe es mir ein bisschen abgeguckt.
In fact, it was Cam Newton, quarterback for the Carolina Panthers. A stellar role model for a big celebration from Hamburg's Josip Drmic.
Oh my goodness, that's a bit of showboating for you. Bender didn't like that at all. Lewandowski goes through it again, oh, he just can't do it! You just cannot be that good!
We're very happy, we're very pleased because we get these 3 points.